Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I will show you how to customize always on display feature on Galaxy S24 Ultra. So let's begin the video by navigating to settings. Scroll down until you find the lock screen and always on display option and select it. From there, tap always on display to access the customization option on this page, and you will see toggles to customize your experience. The first toggle shows the screen wallpaper control, whether or not you want to see the wallpapers on the always on display screen. If you disable this option, you won't see your wallpaper when the always display is activated. If you turn it on, wallpaper will be visible. Next, you can choose show music information or not using this toggle. Then you will get this option when to show. Tap on it, there are multiple options will be available. Here in the list, auto and always do almost the same, except in auto it will show all the time unless your phone detects that it is in the pocket, purse and in a dark room. The other available options are tap to show, schedule or for new notification. Select the one as per your liking. Now to disable always on display, go back to previous page, toggle off this switch and that's it. I hope this video has helped you out to customize always on display in the S24 Ultra. If you have any feedback or question, you can ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.